Hello everyone, welcome to Sune IAS. Today we are going to discuss about the Geo 300 Plus test series and enrichment batch, which is beginning from 15th of the September. Now I am going to discuss about the components of this batch. What are the objectives from this batch? What are we going to learn? And how you are going to benefit from it. Let's start to understand about the Geo 300 Plus test series and the enrichment batch. Now first of all बच्चों, we are starting with this batch from 15th of September and this planner has been already shared with you. Let me briefly tell you about the planner, how you should refer to this planner so that you understand about the Geo 300 Plus test series and enrichment program in a better manner. Now first of all you can see, okay, the planner is divided into date, day, session, topics, subtopics and paper, okay, simply. Now you can see here, okay, that is the date and day which are corresponding to that particular paper and the topic has been mentioned here. Now here it is mentioned whether the session would be live or this will be an online class. Okay, so you can attend the online and the offline classes both. Okay, and the topics which will be covered here. Now very importantly I want to highlight here what is the planner starting from and how we will move forward. So first of all we will start with the orientation class where I will teach you about the answer writing particularly for geography optional. पूरा साल निकल जाता है, सारे टॉपिक्स हैं, इतना कंटेंट है, इतने बुक्स पढ़े हैं बट आंसर नहीं लिख पाते हैं. दैट इज द मेन प्रॉब्लम. इतना सारा कंटेंट है एक एक टॉपिक के ऊपर, थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पेज ऑफ नोट्स, बट व्हाट अबाउट आंसर राइटिंग? कैसे 3 पेज में हम एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन लिख सकते हैं? ओके, स्पेशली जब टॉपिक्स भी पता है और अच्छे से डिटेल में उस पर नोट्स भी बनाए हैं. दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. Okay, so I'll take up the orientation and help you understand how to start with the answer writing. Next, I have particularly given some classes of perspectives. I am hoping, okay, that you understand perspectives well. Perspectives ही आपका unit है geographical thought, one and the same thing. I know you know about it in detail, but still there are certain students who don't understand thoughts or perspectives. Okay, you need not worry at all. Because after doing these classes, okay, you will know about thoughts holistically and in a very simplified manner, because you have a lot of problem in remembering the name of thinkers or chronological sequential development क्या था. अब ये classes करने के बाद आपका वो problem solve हो जाएगा. ठीक है, because I've referred to 3-4 books and then given you this classes. अब ये class करने के बाद आपको thoughts बस यहीं से करना है बच्चों. ठीक है, no need to refer to multiple books and to get the data from here and there. ठीक है, इसमें सारा schools of thought and then the development, okay, quantitative revolution, etc. everything has been discussed. Now after starting, okay, these classes, then we will move forward to the first unit. That is, for example, we are starting with population and settlement, and whenever there is a session it is mentioned here. You can attend in the live, offline as well as online mode, both. Okay, and on the other days where there is no session, that means that all the questions which will be given to you on those particular days have been discussed in this particular session itself. Okay, now you will get 2 type of classes. One will be where I've discussed questions. Okay, these are the questions, these are the topics on which you will get questions. So you can see there are 6-7 topics which have been mentioned. So here you will be getting those particular questions on those particular days, and along with that handwritten model answers. Okay, and similarly on the other days, and for example this particular unit continues to 3 days, so approximately you will be given 18-20 answers, okay, handwritten model answers and the discussion videos. So this will be the first type of the session that you will be given, that is discussion of the question and answers that is being provided to you. Okay, then second type of the session would be where you will be given up the enrichment with respect to those topics which are going on in the planner. So for example, if we are currently going through the unit of RDP and models, let's say, so there will be second type of session where we will try to understand the different interlinkages between these units. So RDP में हम thoughts कैसे लगा सकते हैं, okay? In models also, for that matter of fact, how we can include thoughts, how we can include RDP, how we can include settlement, for that matter of fact, integration of human and physical, okay, between the papers. अब models paper 2 में भी तो apply करके पूछ ही रहे हैं. अब हमें देखना है how to interlink paper 1 and paper 2. All these interlinkages, that is enrichment, will be provided to you in these sessions. So these are the two types of sessions which will be provided to you. Okay, now you can see अब यहाँ पे population और models हो गया. जैसे ही 2 unit हो गए, okay, after 2 units there will be weekly practice question. These are very important. These are 3 questions which you must attempt, okay, which will be evaluated so as to understand कि हम answer लिख पा रहे हैं या नहीं. Am I able to write answers or not? That is the perspective. You need not write this in a time bounded manner. अभी हम practice कर रहे हैं. Okay, just keep the content in front of you. You would have got certain content, okay, from the classes, some notes you would have made here, etc. Keep that in front of you and then try to attempt these questions. So that is the objective of these questions. ठीक है? उसके बाद there will be sectional test. Okay, after each 2 unit there will be 1 sectional test. Now attempt the sectional test, you will get the discussions and the handwritten model answers. Okay, and then we will continue with the other units in a similar manner. Okay, so then once we are done with paper 1, then we will start with paper 2. Similarly, we will be covering up the discussions of the paper 2. Okay, these are the subtopics which are covered. The यहाँ पे लिखा है ना जो subtopics, ये सब themes है उस unit के. Okay, for example agriculture, तो यहाँ पर ये सब themes हमने discuss किए हैं. Okay, with the help of handwritten model answers etc. वही पूरा objective है. ठीक है? And then there will be 4 full length tests at the end of the planner, and the planner will end, okay, by December. आपका planner खत्म हो जाएगा, but this is flexible. You can attempt the test throughout the year. Validity will be throughout the year basically. Now you get almost 300 plus handwritten model answers. You get almost 50-60 classes. You will get the test, that is 14 tests which will be evaluated, 10 sectional and 4 full length tests along with the handwritten model answers. So this is sufficient for practicing answer writing. Answer writing अगर आप daily कर रहे हैं, कुछ questions जो दिए गए हैं GO 300 में, you are trying to write the answers, you are trying to attempt the weekly practice questions, sectional test etc. That is sufficient for developing, okay, answer writing practice, both in the brainstorming manner and the test mode. That is कि हमें 3 घंटे में कैसे पेपर करना है. You would subsequently understand that. But apart from that, very importantly, we would be providing you with the current affairs booklets. So Geography का current affairs booklet that has been recently released, that is the yearly booklet, where we have divided the different topics, units of the syllabus and the current affairs based themes which had come in the different websites, okay, different portals which are important from the perspective of geography optional. तो आपका ये ऑब्जेक्टिव जो है ये यहीं से फुलफिल हो जाएगा. आपका ये टास्क कम हो गया कि करंट अफेयर्स कहाँ से पढ़े मैडम ज्योग्राफी ऑप्शनल के लिए. ओके, सो यू कैन रेफर टू ज्योग्राफी का, दैट इज ज्योग्राफी ऑप्शनल ईयरली बुकलेट. ओके, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू मस्ट ऑल्सो रेफर टू रीड ऑफ द डे that we provide at the Shunya IAS Telegram geography channel. Okay, there is a specific channel for geography optional where we provide you with a read of the day. That is a daily case study and we mention the topic from syllabus, and that you must also make notes on for current affairs for geography option. So this will be sufficient. Okay, so just go through geography ka to add on current affairs. Okay, but apart from that, एक क्वेश्चन होता है बच्चों का, मैम पहले टॉपर्स ने कैसे आंसर्स लिखे. जो बच्चे सेलेक्ट हो गए हैं दे मस्ट हैव रिटन वेरी गुड आंसर्स. उनके आंसर्स में क्या कंटेंट था. ओके, सो दिस ईयर वी हैव टेकन अप अ न्यू इनिशिएटिव, दैट इज वी हैव लॉन्च्ड टॉपर्स मॉडल आंसर बुकलेट्स इन 2 parts which are running to about 400 odd pages. Here we have given you the samples of the handwritten answers which were written by those students who have now secured a rank. Okay, now they are into services. So we have selected few answers from the past 2-3 years and we have given in the geography optional toppers answer booklet. Okay, this is running into 2 parts. and this runs into about 400 odd pages. So इससे आपको एक आइडिया लग जाएगा कि आंसर्स में क्या लिखना चाहिए क्या नहीं. Okay, थोड़ा सा एक आइडिया लग जाता है when there is a benchmark set. So somebody who has secured rank, okay, you can just have a reference to their answers so as to understand how we can write the answers as well. Okay, geography option. Now very importantly, why Geo 300 plus? क्यों करना है टेक्स्ट सीरीज, क्यों करना है इनरिचमेंट? मेरे पास पहले ही इतना कंटेंट है, मेरे पास पहले ही इतना इंफॉर्मेशन है. आई विल जस्ट गो एंड राइट इन मेन्स. Now writing mains is also about understanding the themes which have become important. Can we anticipate them? Yes. We have done an overlapping between the themes which had been asked by UPSC, for example, GLOF, air masses, ecosystem restoration, etc. And we have overlapped it with the questions that we had provided you in the Geo 300 plus. Okay. And we have also got a lot of feedbacks from the different students. Okay. That is with respect to how the answer writing practice helped them in Geo 300 plus program. Okay. And now after attempting the mains 2025 paper, they can feel a difference because these themes have been overlapped with the Geo 300 plus and the geography optional mains paper 1 and 2. So अगर हमने वो theme किया है and that theme comes in paper, that gives you an added advantage, isn't it so? So वही advantage, वही थोड़ा leap लेना है अगर आपको कि कुछ themes जो पढ़े हैं वो repeat हो जाएं, answer writing practice किया है on themes like ecosystem restoration, etc. and that comes in paper. That will give you a certain advantage, bachcho, especially in paper 2 where the themes are so much about current affairs, fox nuts, etc. Okay, for example, themes like Kareva, okay, dairy sector, etc., which we had already discussed in Geo 300 plus program. Okay, so these themes, if they come in paper, that will give you a certain advantage, a certain edge. Okay. So if you want to start answer writing practice for geography optional, I would suggest don't wait now. Okay, already the time that is approaching for prelims, that is coming very fast. You must be done and dusted with geography optional. Okay, by December or January. This test series will be accessible throughout the year, but abhi answer writing आप एक अच्छा chunk कर लेंगे, that will be good for you. Okay, so we are starting with the Geo 300 plus program from 15th of the September. But still, if you have other queries and doubts, you can fill the form which is given in the description box. That is all with respect to the Geo 300 plus program. Thank you.